Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to share a link of Instagram account. So in order to share your Instagram account link, first of all, update your application and log in into your account. So while you're logged into your account, go to your profile from the bottom right hand side, and after that tap the tab bar icon from the top. So while you're on this page, you can see a list of options underneath. So the one way to share your profile is through a QR code. So tap the QR code button. So once you tap on QR code, as you can see, you can go ahead and tap the share profile link just like that, and you can just go ahead and select any of the platform where you actually want to share it. Now for example, I'm just going to share it on WhatsApp. So now you can just go ahead and tap the arrow icon, and once you do that, the profile will be shared. Apart from it, what else you can also share a proper link. So for that, what you need to do is you need to first of all copy your username, or just go to your edit profile and tap the username, and make sure to copy this particular username. Once you've done that, open up a web browser, and on the web address bar you'll need to type in www.instagram.com. so once you type in instagram.com, tap on the pencil shape icon located right next to it, and after that you can just go ahead and paste in the username. So once I've pasted the link, as you can see, this is the particular profile. So right on top you add the link. So all you need to do is just copy the link, and now you can just go ahead and paste in anywhere you want. So after that, just paste in the link that you've recently copied, and that's how you can share your Instagram profile link. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.